What's up, y'all? Um, Trade recap for the day. As you can see, winning day. Let's get right in. So, first of all, thank you. Determine our attainable price targets for the day. So we had these lows in the 4 hour, these lows, these highs and these highs. To be honest, I was expecting these highs to get hit, but well, yeah. Moving on, hourly. Again, hourly lows. It all been took out, so disregarded them kind of. Hourly lows here. Um, yeah, really. That was in shit, and then I was expecting. Um, so I was just saying to myself, really, like, okay, we could come up and take out these 15-minute highs, these 15-minute highs, these 15-minute highs, then come down to these lows, and these lows, or we can come down to these lows, or these lows, form 5-minute structure, and then moves higher. Pretty simple stuff, really. Yes, similar situation. We had 4 hour lows, 4 hour lows, 4 hour highs. To get there, we take out 15-minute draws here and here. These equal lows here as well. But these 15-minute and hourly draws, I believe those ones are yes. And 4 hour lows. Pretty simple stuff. So I was just thinking, right, if we come up, we're gonna come down. If we come down, we're gonna come up. Pretty simple stuff. It's like, right, 15-minute highs, 1 minute shorts, or fifth hourly highs, 4 hour highs, 5-minute structure, boom. Or 50-minute lows, 50-minute lows moves higher. Yeah. So what happened? Well, market opened and pushed up. Originally, NQ market opened and took out these 15-minute highs and these 15-minute highs, which then does allow us to go straight to the 1 minute, and then for shorts down to the attainable price targets for the day. So these hourly lows, these ones. We also had, I've marked out a 5-minute imbalance, boom, boom, just in case, just as because it was sort of hourly liquidity and hourly liquidity down here. I was like, okay, 5-minute imbalance, sorry, as well, just in case. So we come up, we take out 15-minute highs. Means we can go into the 1 minute time frame. What do we get? We get a low made, close beneath it, boom, oh, break of structure right there. And also inverse imbalance right there too. Boom, pretty simple stuff. And then third confluence, imbalance, equilibrium, down here, boom, bing, boom, whatever. Also, you can consider this entire move up an order block, but I would probably draw it on from there. So yes, order block got hit if we consider it to be there. Boom, order block, boom, protection out. This is the trade of the day. Shorts. Stop above this inverse fair value gap, this fair value gap. I'll probably put it there, just to be safe, really. Well, let's have a look. 170. That's where I'd put it. Boom. And then pretty simple targeting those hourly lows. Hourly lows and then extended take profits. Probably down to that 5-minute imbalance. Boom. That is a perfectly valid trade. 15-minute highs swept. 1 minute break of structure. 1 minute third confluence. Bing bang bosh. Did we take it? No. We did not take it because we had 15-minute lows here and here that had been taken. These 15-minute lows, sorry, had been taken. So I was expecting to see some form of, and these lows here, some form of reaction off of that. But you got that massive move up was the reaction off those lows. But I did not want to short, I did not really want to short at 15-minute lows just in case. So I was expecting these to get hit today, if I'm honest. So we didn't take that trade, which is fine. Yes, market open, did the pretty much exact same thing. Came up, took out these 15-minute draws, inversed an imbalance, came back in and filled it, and then mink, stop at the high, target those hourly lows, boom, boom, whatever, floats your boat. Really, that is not what we took today. What we did instead, was something a little different. So after price took out the low resistance liquidity and moved down, NQ obviously got a much bigger move down and took out these 4-hour lows, not these ones, these 4-hour lows, and we made an SMT from these lows at 19.25 down to here, ES 19.25 to here at 10. Nice SMT ski at the time. That was really a good enough trade for me. And what else? These are the 4-hour lows. We swept them. These is the 4-hour imbalance. The 5-minute imbalance, sorry. Filled it as well. And I was thinking, right, okay, high time frame liquidity sweep. We want to see 5-minute structure get formed. We'd had a moved up and we had a move back down. That was the retracement. Yes, it was lower, but we'd swept it, move up, okay, move back down. There's the 5-minute structure being formed, and then there's the move up. So, what was I looking for to take an entry? Well, so we'd had the sweep, had the first move up, we'd had the 5-minute retrace. It's like, okay, cool. What do we got? We've got an imbalance here. So let's just rewind for a second first. Being realistic as well, we just had a massive move down. We'd created this 15-minute imbalance and this 15-minute imbalance. Being realistic, longs back up to here isn't reasonable in the slightest. So I was thinking, right, we're catching the retrace here. We're catching the retrace. So I was like, okay, I don't really fancy waiting for a massive move up and then a move back down, because that could be the move back down, which is obviously here. So what we did was 1-minute imbalance right here. We did have another one here that we inverse as well, but main imbalance. And then breaker structure, no, here's the high, yes. I jumped the gun a little bit. Pretty much, we had the 5-minute SMT. It's like, yes, cool, this is good. We're going up now. We're going to get a retrace, we're going to go up. And then here, we kept pushing above, coming back down, pushing above, coming back down, pushing above, coming back down. It was clear to me that the order flow was changing. We were moving, we were getting bullish momentum. So I preemptively entered. But price eventually did break structure and inverse this fair value gap in the same candle. Boom. Once we'd seen that, a retrace would be necessary anyway before entering, because we don't enter just off that, really. Don't really like it, but I did today anyway. But we had this bullish imbalance in line with this order block, because this is the largest move down. So this move down to look at this liquidity, there's an order block marked with that blue line, along with equilibrium from this low to this high. We got a close beneath it, filled the order block, filled the fair value gap, bullish reaction out. So realistically, the better trade would have been off that candle close right there. Stop probably would have been in the same place or there from that candle that formed the imbalance. Target would have been the same, top of that 15-minute fair value gap. And that was a, doesn't matter. We entered preemptively here. We targeted the top of this 15-minute imbalance, because realistically price could fill this one Maybe not close above it, but it could fill this one. So I was like, yeah, we'll have a little bit higher up here. Worked out quite nicely, as you can see. Boom. Hit our take profit and then reverse the smackdown all the way down. Jesus. That is wild. But that is my trade that I took today. I hope this is beneficial, whatever. 1.4 RR risk, just under 1% on the 50k demo account. Boom. As you can see. Boom, that was today. Nice and simple, that's how we like to do it, really. Followed our system, followed the strategy, executed well, was patient through all of this. Was a little bit impatient here, jumped the gun a little bit. But we did finally get that extra confirmation. Happy. So, that's trade recap. I will see you later. Peace.